Some tools don't just improve your workflow, they completely change what you're capable of on the job site. On Milwaukee Tool, featured by AU Techverse, we're uncovering 25 brand new innovations most professionals haven't even seen yet. Stay with us, because every tool you're about to see has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and missing even one could mean missing your next serious upgrade. Milwaukee M18 Brushless Telescoping Pole Pruning Shears. When trimming higher branches, climbing or using ladders slows everything down. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Telescoping Pole Pruning Shears let you cut branches up to about 1.25 inches without leaving the ground. The telescoping pole extends roughly from 7 to 10 feet, giving you extended reach, while the brushless motor delivers consistent cutting power. Its ergonomic design supports longer use with less strain, making it a practical solution for controlled, efficient pruning work. Milwaukee Safety Helmet Impact Armor. On active job sites, head protection needs to be reliable without becoming uncomfortable over long hours. The Milwaukee Safety Helmet Impact Armor is built with a durable outer shell and an impact-absorbing inner liner to reduce injury risk. Its adjustable fit and secure chin strap keep the helmet stable during movement, while integrated ventilation improves airflow. Designed for construction and industrial use, it delivers consistent protection without compromising comfort on demanding workdays. Milwaukee MX Fuel 24 in Walk-Behind Edging Trowel Kit. On large concrete pours, achieving a smooth edge finish quickly can be challenging with manual tools. The Milwaukee MX Fuel 24 in Walk-Behind Edging Trowel Kit delivers cordless performance with about 5 horsepower, providing consistent finishing power without fuel or cords. It features adjustable blade pitch for precise control and an adjustable handle for operator comfort. With up to 35 minutes of runtime per charge, it helps contractors complete clean, professional edges efficiently on demanding job sites. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescoping Pole Saw. When branches extend beyond safe reach, using ladders adds risk and slows progress. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Telescoping Pole Saw provides extended reach from about 7 to 13 feet, allowing you to cut high limbs from the ground. Its brushless motor delivers strong cutting performance, while the chain speed supports fast, clean cuts. The lightweight cutting head and automatic oiler improve handling, making it a dependable solution for controlled tree maintenance. Milwaukee Cordless String Trimmer with Quik-LOK. Clearing overgrown grass and weeds becomes easier when one tool can handle multiple tasks. The Milwaukee Cordless String Trimmer with Quik-LOK uses a brushless motor that reaches high RPM for efficient cutting, even in dense areas. The Quik-LOK attachment system allows quick switching between tools like edgers or pole saws. With a balanced design and wide cutting swath, it offers consistent performance for both professional landscaping and regular maintenance work. Milwaukee Backpack Blower. When dealing with wet leaves or heavy debris, standard blowers often lack the needed force. The Milwaukee Backpack Blower delivers power comparable to a gas blower while remaining cordless and quieter. It reaches full throttle quickly, improving productivity during cleanup tasks. The adjustable harness enhances comfort for extended use, and the flexible battery setup allows you to manage weight and runtime. It is built for professionals who need strong, consistent clearing performance. Milwaukee 30-20-20 M18 Fuel 18V 16 Gauge Straight Finish Nailer. When installing trim or cabinetry, dragging a compressor around slows everything down. The Milwaukee 30-20-20 M18 Fuel 16 Gauge Straight Finish Nailer delivers cordless convenience with a brushless motor that drives nails from 1 inch to 2.5 inches consistently. Tool-free depth adjustment helps fine-tune every shot, while the jam-resistant design keeps workflow smooth. It is a reliable option for clean, precise finishing without the hassle of hoses. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 12V 2N Brushless Cordless Planer. When working on doors, panels, or trim, precision matters more than raw power. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 2-inch planer offers a compact design that removes up to 5 32-inch in a single pass. With 21 depth settings and a dual-sided shavings port, it gives you control over both cut and cleanup. The high-speed cutter head ensures a smooth finish, making it a practical choice for detailed woodworking tasks. Milwaukee MX Fuel Pipe Threading Machine. Threading pipes on site can become difficult when power access is limited. The Milwaukee MX fuel pipe threading machine runs on battery power, eliminating the need for cords while maintaining consistent performance. A micro-adjust knob helps achieve precise thread quality, and the spring-assisted cart improves setup and mobility. Designed for efficiency, it allows professionals to complete threading tasks with greater control and less downtime on demanding job sites. Milwaukee 4822-8429 PACKOUT XL Heavy-Duty Toolbox. On demanding job sites, tools take constant impact during transport and storage. The Milwaukee 4822-8429 PACKOUT XL Heavy-Duty Toolbox is built from impact-resistant polymer with reinforced corners to handle rough conditions. Its IP65 rated seal protects against rain and debris, while the modular PACKOUT system allows it to connect with other storage units. With high weight capacity and organized interior space, it keeps essential tools protected and ready for efficient access. Milwaukee Roll-On 7200W/3600W Power Supply. When working in remote locations, reliable power becomes a major challenge. The Milwaukee Roll-On Power Supply delivers up to 7200W starting and 3600W running power, making it suitable for heavy-duty tools and equipment. Its integrated battery system provides extended runtime, while multiple outlets allow simultaneous device use. Built with durable housing and all-terrain wheels, it offers a dependable portable power solution for professionals who need consistent performance anywhere. Milwaukee Core Rig W/Stand. Drilling through concrete or reinforced materials requires both stability and power. The Milwaukee Core Rig with Stand is designed to handle demanding coring applications with controlled precision. Its modular setup allows straightforward assembly, while the stand provides stability during operation. Powered by the MX fuel system, it offers cordless convenience without sacrificing performance. It is a practical solution for contractors who need accurate, reliable drilling in tough construction environments. M18 and M12 Super Charger. On busy job sites, waiting for batteries to charge can slow everything down. The M18 and M12 Super Charger is designed to reduce downtime by charging batteries significantly faster than standard chargers. It supports both M18 and M12 systems, making it versatile for mixed tool setups. Sequential charging and an 80% charge indicator help manage workflow efficiently. It is a practical solution for keeping tools ready without unnecessary delays. Milwaukee Fuel 18V1/2 in high torque impact. When dealing with stubborn bolts in automotive or construction work, power and control are critical. The Milwaukee Fuel 18V1/2-inch high torque impact delivers up to 1200 FTLB of fastening torque and 1600 FTLB of nut busting torque. Its compact design improves access in tight spaces, while multiple drive modes allow better control. Built for durability, it provides consistent performance for demanding fastening applications. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover. On piping jobs, creating accurate grooves on site often requires bulky equipment. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Ringer Roll Groover offers a cordless solution designed for efficient grooving of various pipe sizes. It allows quick setup and eliminates manual cranking, improving workflow speed. The intuitive controls help achieve precise groove depth, making it a reliable choice for pipe fitters who need consistent, professional results directly on the job site. Milwaukee M12 and M18 Cable Strippers. Inside a crowded electrical panel, using a knife for stripping cables can be risky and inconsistent. The Milwaukee M12 and M18 cable strippers are designed with enclosed blades and an adjustable depth gauge to deliver clean, controlled strips without damaging conductors. Their right-angle design improves access in tight spaces, while the quick-change bushing system supports different cable sizes. They provide a safer, more consistent solution for professional cable preparation. Milwaukee REDSTICK Digital Levels. When accuracy matters in installation work, even small errors can lead to costly rework. The Milwaukee REDSTICK Digital Levels use precise measurement technology to deliver clear angle readings through a high-visibility display. The durable body is built for job site conditions, and features like angle locking help repeat measurements accurately. It offers a reliable way to maintain precision across framing, installation, and alignment tasks. Milwaukee ProPEX Expander. In plumbing installations, consistent pipe expansion is essential for leak-free connections. The Milwaukee ProPEX Expander features an auto-rotating head that ensures even expansions without manual turning. Its one-handed operation makes it easier to work in tight or overhead spaces, while the durable metal gear construction supports long-term use. Available across M12 and M18 platforms, it provides a dependable solution for fast, accurate pipe connections. Milwaukee USB heated gloves. Working in cold conditions can quickly reduce hand control and productivity. The Milwaukee USB heated gloves use built-in heating technology to deliver consistent warmth across the hands, helping you stay functional during long outdoor tasks. Powered by a rechargeable battery, they offer extended runtime while the durable outer material resists wind and water. Touchscreen compatibility allows device use without removing the gloves, making them a practical choice for cold job site environments. Milwaukee Fastback utility knives. On a busy job site, you often need a knife that is quick, reliable, and easy to handle with one hand. The Milwaukee Fastback utility knife features a press and flip mechanism for fast opening, saving time during repetitive cutting tasks. Its all-metal body adds durability, while tool-free blade changes keep workflow smooth. With added features like a wire stripper and secure belt clip, it becomes a dependable everyday carry tool. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Step Bits. Drilling clean holes in metal requires both precision and durability from your bits. The Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty Step Bits are designed with a titanium aluminum nitride coating to extend life and reduce heat buildup. The rapid strike tip improves accuracy at the start, while dual spiral flutes clear debris efficiently. Built to handle high torque from impact drivers, they offer consistent, clean drilling performance across multiple hole sizes. Milwaukee M12 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light. On dim job sites, poor lighting can slow work and increase mistakes. The Milwaukee M12 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light delivers strong illumination in a compact, portable design that sets up quickly. It runs on an M12 battery or AC power, giving flexibility for long shifts. The adjustable head allows precise light positioning, helping reduce shadows. It is a dependable lighting solution that keeps your workspace clear and productive. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6-gallon wet/dry vacuum. Cleaning up debris during or after work requires a vacuum that can handle both fine dust and heavier materials. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 6-gallon wet/dry vacuum uses a brushless motor to provide strong suction while maintaining quieter operation. Its durable construction is built for job site use, and the system design allows flexibility with interchangeable components. It offers consistent performance for efficient cleanup in demanding environments. Milwaukee M12 M-Spector 360 inspection cameras. Inspecting inside walls, pipes, or machinery often means working without direct visibility. The Milwaukee M12 M-Spector 360 inspection camera features a clear display with 360-degree image rotation, ensuring the view stays properly oriented. Its semi-rigid cable allows smooth navigation through tight spaces, while adjustable LED brightness improves visibility. It is a practical tool for diagnosing hidden issues with greater clarity and control. Milwaukee Magnetic Headlamp and Task Light. When working in tight or low-light areas, holding a light can slow you down. The Milwaukee Magnetic Headlamp and Task Light solves this by functioning as both a wearable headlamp and a detachable magnetic light. It delivers up to 450 lumens with multiple modes, allowing you to adjust brightness based on the task. The magnetic base enables hands-free use on metal surfaces, making it a flexible lighting solution for detailed work. Milwaukee M12 Underbody Light. Working under vehicles often means dealing with shadows and limited visibility. The Milwaukee M12 Underbody Light is designed to mount securely using strong magnets while delivering wide, even illumination. Its dual swivel system allows precise positioning, helping you direct light exactly where needed. The integrated tray keeps small parts organized during repairs. It is a practical tool that makes underbody work faster, clearer, and more controlled. That wraps up the latest Milwaukee tools that can genuinely upgrade your workflow. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with the tool you would pick first, and subscribe to AU Techverse for more real, practical tool breakdowns that actually help you work smarter every day.